It's Darviny, and welcome to today's table. It's all about lemons. Look at these lemons. We had a plethora of lemons the other day, so I decided to bring out this collection of cloth and tables. But what I'm going to do with these lemons, I've got so many of them, I'm going to make some salad dressing. I am going to make lemonade because it's so hot down here right now. And I'm going to also make some lemon dressing to put on my fish and chicken this week. So all these lemons, not only are they good for decorations, I'm also going to use them to cook with and of course to make the lemonade with. So last summer when I was in France, lemons were the craze. And as you know, I love going to the south of France markets where I'm from, a little town called La Napoule, and there's markets every Thursday, but every day of the week there's a market in a different town. And what you'll find in these markets is that each little booth or each little stand has their own personality, and there's always someone who's making tablecloth and linens handmade. So this is from my finds in one of the markets in south of France last summer. I brought it home because I always bring a suitcase full of things home, and this is one of them. And this lady was fabulous. She handmade all of these with ribbon and fabrics that she found. So with that, of course, lemons was the theme today. So other decorations that you can use that are not only flowers are different types of fruits, from spruces of herbs and rosemary and thyme that are beautiful. Mint leaves are beautiful as well. Oranges and grapefruit. Anything spread out or on the table in a vase. Anything. There is no wrong to using fruits and vegetables as decorations on your tables. Anything goes, and everything will look pretty. So it's basically using your imagination, making it fun. It doesn't have to match. So many different things that you can use to decorate a table that you do not have to have flowers or do not have to have big flowers or big pots of things. And I love using things that I have, like the bougainvillea that grow in the garden and the lemons and fruits that grow in Florida. The other thing that I wanted to talk about, which I love, this is an old table. I love tables, and I've got several different tables in my home and outside also as well. But this table is a table that I bought in an old estate sale. So this table is a very, very old table, and I love anything that has history or a story behind it. The older something gets, the more patina, as we say in French, la patine, and the more beautiful it gets and the more it has a story. So every print, every stain, every spilled glass of red wine, every spilled olive oil on it, every little marker or mark from the children has a story behind it. And I don't know what the story was it before, whoever owned it before, but this has a wonderful energy to it. So I love this long table. The reason why I love long tables is because they're interactive and people can participate in this big ensemble of a table. For the longest time here in the United States, it was a lot of little round tables that people would have in their dining room or spread out in the house when they'd entertain. But this long table, first of all, you can fit up to 14 people at this table, which is really fun. Kind of squished, but we can put 2 people here and all the way down. But basically, everyone can participate in this table. You can talk to your left, to your right, down the table. Everyone can across from each other. And it makes for one big, really fun party, not separated, but all together. That's the story behind this table. It's an old antique, an old table that I love, filled with stains. It's getting old and it's getting better, nice and patina. So I'm having 9 lady friends over for lunch, and it is hot, so we're having a lunch instead of a dinner. And we're going to use these lemons. So not only am I going to use these lemons as decorations, which I love using fruit as decorations, always a great idea, because you can repurpose them into a salad dressing. Today's lunch is going to be a lot of festive, refreshing springtime summer salads with lemon in it, lime in it, some tropical fruit, maybe a little mango and some pineapple, all the things that are refreshing from this hot summer heat. And with that, bon appetit, and join me later.